So we're going to the COSI Museum, and we're going to go check out the Titanic exhibit. Right, Bennett? Where are we going?
COSI.
And what are we going to go see?
Titanic.
Yeah? Are you excited?
I'm a big fan of Titanic.
He's a big fan of Titanic. Ready to go? Let's go! Ready to go see Titanic?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go! Before we go, I need to get me an energy drink. Otherwise, I turn into...
Big monster!
The Titanic.
We are here at COSI, downtown Columbus, and we're gonna go check out the Titanic exhibit. Come with us.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Make sure to like and subscribe, please, to our channel. Look at this. We've never seen this on COSI before. It looks like we're walking into the Titanic right now.
Here we go.
Super excited.
Dude, Daddy, look at that.
Whoa.
Bennett, this is how they dove down to find the Titanic in the ship like this.
Oh, cool.
picture.
Yeah. We're on the Titanic. Mommy, look what I see, the diner room. Look,
Whoa, that's cool.
but it's broken.
Yeah.
Turkish bath, gymnasium, squash court. Yeah.
There's a door to this.
Yeah. So cool, right?
Yeah. Like, they
Yeah.
So this is what a first class room looked like.
Daddy would be in the first class smoking room. That's the reading room.
Look how real this thing cup is.
It's because it's real.
Oh, this is the third class passenger. So this is what the hallways look like for the third class passenger. This is the third class passenger. A little different than first class. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yes. Mommy, this is the iceberg.
This would be the guy talking to us in the other room. Sound like all day long.
No, it didn't really happen.
Oh, guys, it's like, oh, yeah. Let's go.
Dang, these doors are small too.
Yeah.
Just to kind of give you an idea.
Mommy, look at are these the guys that used to be?
Yeah.
Boiler room. There were 6 boiler rooms on Titanic. Each one of these massive monsters here is one boiler. Each boiler has furnaces on it. We had 29 boilers in total, 159 furnaces more. You here to take over for me? You here to work? You look pretty strong in it. You can do it. I gotta warn you though, it's 120 degrees in the boiler rooms at all times.
Is that hot?
That is high.
And each shift is shoveling coal for 4 hours straight.
Whoa.
Think you can do that?
No.
No?
Bennett's getting recruited.
Well,
Think you
know
can do
why I
it?
gotta wear the long sleeves pants, right?
That's pretty cool.
A lot of shovels. They need a lot of people to do that work. That one is telling you if you need more or less steam. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Did you want to be the captain?
You know about steam, water, watertight door. So what we do is we have those doors that separate all 15 compartments of the lower decks of the ship. Just in case if any of the compartments were to spring a leak, we would be able to close these doors that would prevent water from flowing into the rest of the ship, right? So when we hit the iceberg, boiler rooms 5 and 6 were actually two of the very first places to puncture and started filling with water. So what we did was we closed the bulkhead door between boiler rooms 4 and 5 to keep that water from flooding the rest of the boiler rooms, which helped for a while, right? But it didn't completely stop it because so much water flowed into those boiler rooms that they actually rose above the rooms. And there were escape hatches and ladders that employees like myself could climb out of if we needed to in an emergency. So while it held off the water for a while, that water eventually rose so high that it started going over top into the other rings. And yeah, but it did delay it for a while. Yeah. I'll see you aboard another ship someday.
Thank you.
Ship. He rang the bell 3 times to telephone the bridge with the warning.
Go this way.
Warning. 1:45 p.m. from America. Ice report. Past 2 large icebergs.
He said,
Warning. 9:30 p.m. SS Wasaba. Ice report. We saw much heavy pack ice and great number of large icebergs. Warning. 10:55 p.m. from California. We are stopped and surrounded by ice. And then, iceberg ahead!
Mommy, he said, wake up, you buzzard.
Look at that minute. It's an iceberg.
Mommy, look.
No, look at me.
Actual eyes.
I know.
My hand is slipping. Look at that.
I know.
Like, watch.
It's real ice.
See what?
Whoa, that is real ice.
Real ice.
Mommy, look at this hand.
That's wild.
And then watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look how it just got boiled so fast.
Yeah.
What is
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's really.